You may be sitting there wondering, how can I start my own business? Today, we are going to focus on one in particular, a tow truck business. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business registration topics that can save you time and money. With the ever-growing number of vehicles on the road, the demand for towing services remains robust. According to the Bureau of Transportation Statistics, there were over 276 million registered vehicles in the United States in 2019, a number that's only gone up since. This means there are ample opportunities for enterprising individuals like yourself. The first step in starting your tow truck business is developing a detailed business plan. This includes identifying your target market, understanding the competition, estimating startup costs, and planning your pricing strategy. It's also crucial to determine whether you will be starting an independent towing business or purchasing a franchise. Now comes the pivotal part, getting your business and vehicle licenses. This step involves a fair bit of paperwork and can be quite daunting. However, there's no need to worry. You're not in this alone. Instead, you have full-scale help available at all times via legalregistration.com. We are here to take care of all the necessary procedures for you. Our team can handle everything, from your business registration and licensing to ensuring your vehicles are properly licensed and compliant with state and federal regulations. The next step is for you to secure a fleet of tow trucks. Remember to keep your budget and target market in mind while doing so. You will also need to invest in tools and equipment like chains, hooks, and tow dollies. Then, it's time to hire staff. You'll need skilled drivers and possibly dispatchers if you plan on operating round the clock. Finally, don't forget about insurance. Tow truck businesses face various risks, including vehicle damage, employee injuries, and potential liability issues. It's crucial to have an insurance plan that adequately protects your business. Starting a business can be an exciting yet daunting task, but remember, there's a whole world of opportunity out there. According to a recent report, the towing industry generates $8 billion in revenue each year in the US alone. So, the potential for profit is definitely there. So what are you waiting for? Let's get your tow truck business rolling. To get started, visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps of starting a tow truck business? Is there a specific step that seems challenging? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your new business.